I can airdrop you guys some.
You can't airdrop me. I have a
turtles. We call it turtle chow. It's got a catfish taste to it. The 4 permanent residents here. Now, they're part of the ambassador program. What is that? They are all free turtles. So it turns out that they will be released. No, it's not.
Turtle.
Specifically for turtles, we call it turtle chow. It's got a catfish taste to it. Now, let's talk about our ownership. Remember I told you that everything has been re-permitted. Ownership has been transferred over to the 4 permanent residents here. Now, they're part of the ambassador program. What is that? They actually put together an adoption program. I think it's actually pretty cool for you individuals as well. Years, whether a class is individual, can actually adopt. So here's the next one.
Just keep it in the snack. You just get
times a year. Now, why is that so funny? Because remember, girls don't have personal phones, so they have not what's necessary. So with that, they dictate to their secretaries the antics and what's going on down in Turtle Town. Now, if you remember it, what time of year is it right now?
Look at that.
Dating season. So,
Bubble butt.
Rebel is down here in Turtle
He got some big bubble butt.
Take the 3 lovely ladies, Medea, Lily, and Brianna around. But at this time of year, it turns out, and what else can I tell you? That all the other turtles in here are all free turtles. So it turns out that
Where's the Barracuda at?
turns out that during this time of year, yeah,
There's a whirlpool. I think there's a whirlpool.
Here's Snow Miser right here. Now remember, Snow Miser is a juvenile temperately. She is probably between, I would venture to say maybe between 3 and 4.
Aww.
She's doing great. She had a little tear in the upper flipper. Right now she's kind of getting some extra therapy by having more room to swim around. And with that, yes, she's quite zippy when she wants to be. Definitely a little bit more active versus Edgar, my cat, in the first tank over there on the other side. Please be careful. Believe it or not, they can come up and they can be nippy, so we do not want to use our fingers like that because they can actually come up. It's quite intimidating when they do, and with that beak, it's quite sharp as well. Now over here, you see that they're basically just these little enrichment. Quite sneaky. Now I can talk about people rocking on the pool. I can get to talk about people in water that's out of the pool. Nicely played there, Rebel. Nicely played. Now, with that being said, I just want to share with you the humble beginnings of where the turtle hospital started from. Are you going to come over here and say hello? Because here we are trying to get a good glimpse of him. Now, with that, you'll notice as he's swimming, he does not use his back legs. Unfortunately, he does suffer paralysis to the back flippers. However, once he gets going at a pretty good clip, don't let him pull you. He actually can breach the wall and come all the way up to here if he wants to. As he's swimming around, often you'll hear that click on the wall. Please just be aware of that. Sometimes he can get us soaking wet with that flipper splashing his back. But there is a nail on each of those front flippers, and if you're standing too close, it can catch you and cause pretty significant damage. It turns out they like to pick their teeth a lot after dinner. Go figure if they're going to eat those crunchies, the crabs, the crustaceans, and the
Finger
lobsters.
food.
Exactly. He's got finger food, or he's just going to leave it there for later and then use that, that extra nail and dig it out. I don't know when my next meal's coming. Yes, you do. It comes from us. So I have a funny thing about our loggerheads here. So out there, they are like...